I select the date, click on the submit, but the form will not submit because already booked these dates. Also, all booking list will visible on the left side. The name, email, address and everything. Hello there, welcome to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a booking form using Fluent Forms and show the entries to the left sidebar. So first I will create a form. Let's give the name booking forms. I'll take necessary field and finally the date field for booking. Let's change the level and the name attribute. Now if I save and preview the design, so let's select the January 6 and the form is submitted. Again if I select similar date, the form is submitted because the date is not valid. So we need some custom code to make a booking form. So in this case, just go to the link. I have added the link to the description. Copy the link and you need to add this to any snippet plugin or function.php. I'm going to add this code to the code snippet plugin. Give a name and just paste the code here. You can see there is a form ID and field name. You need to change them. So again, go to the form. So here is our form ID 106. So let's change it to 106 and also the given name attribute. Also copy the name attribute from there and replace with this name attribute. Now save this. Now if I go to the form again, if I select one, submit the form, but again another person want to book this, he will not able to submit the form because someone already submitted in this stage. We can also customize the error message from there. Now it's time to show the data to the left side bar. For this one, we are going to use Ninja Tables. I'm using the Ninja Table Pro, but you can use the free version of both Fluent Forms and Ninja Table to make this. So just give a title, select your name, and select the necessary field. I'm going to mark the name, email, address, date, and everything. Click Save. You can see all form entries are here. I have submitted form the 3 times and the entries are here, but this is not visible on the left side. Again, we need some sorts of custom code to show them. So in this case, just again go to the description, copy the link, and from the link just copy the code and use one more time to the code snippet. Okay, so here is the code and you can see table ID is 173. You need to change them. So our table ID is 174, so let's change it to 174. And on there you can see there is an anti admin, so this will visible on the left side. You can change this name as well. Let's change it into booking form or booking list. Save it. Now if I go to the dashboard, you can see the booking list is visible there. Now let's submit the form one more time to show them. Let's fill up everything and select a date. Someone already booked this date, so let's change it and I can submit the form. You can see the form is submitted, and if I go to booking list, all of the data are visible here: his name, email, address and date. In this way you can make a booking form and make a list on the backend.